Control management system of the software is very simple and easy to use. The first thing you have to do is to create a backup schedule depending on your needs. Please navigate to Backup Sets and click on the cross sign to add a new backup set. Here you can configure the name of the backup set and choose the source of the files that you want to back up. Please select File Backup option if you want to back up files or other options according to your needs. The Backup Everything Pro software is a comprehensive client backup application designed for backing up servers, databases, VMs, Windows system, and system state. We will choose to back up files, and you can see right away that the software has a user-friendly GUI which lets you back up the important folders from your machine. Or you can choose what folders and files you want to back up. You can also set the name for the backup schedule, the starting time, and the duration for the backup process. For sequential backup, order of destinations can be set easily through the up and down arrow buttons. For concurrent backup, you can set the maximum number of the destinations to run simultaneously. The Backup Everything Pro software supports backup to either local storage or cloud, therefore enabling you to choose the destination of where you want a particular backup set to store data. You can also generate a truly randomized 256-bit full-length AES encryption key to encrypt the backup data by default. Such encryption is simply unbreakable by any outside interferences. At the end of the process, you can click Backup Now to start a backup or close the interface and have the backup process start at a scheduled time.